The N.G.S system is a new type of hydroponic system that is fully patented and produced in Spain by N.G.S. It represents a new alternative for growing without soil, as well as providing an ideal solution for land that is not agriculturally viable. The suspended system is based on the circulation of a nutritious water solution which is delivered to plants through a set of liners in hanging bolsters. The system's main feature is the way it optimizes the use of this solution by being a closed-circuit structure. This ensures that any water solution not used by the plants is recycled back into the system. One strawberry plant, for example, grown in soil, requires around 200 litres of water per season. However, a strawberry plant grown in the N.G.S system only requires around 13 litres of water per season. This is because the same water is circulated and no water is lost due to evaporation or water sinking to the ground below. The system also allows the reduction of pollution caused by nutrients and pesticides, the volume of plant roots due to good aeration, and the amount of energy used to warm roots. All these reductions mean low production costs and a cleaner environment. The system, however, enables the compliance with future European standards, an earlier and more productive crop, easier crop change, root inspection, installation and maintenance, and favourable work conditions. With all these advantages, an exceptional high-quality produce can be obtained, where all parameters are perfectly controlled by the growing system. The most visible items in the system are the many suspended bolsters of white polythene. On top of each bolster is a flat cover piece of white polythene sealed to the edges of the bolster. In the cover are square cut holes of 7.5 centimeters, where the distance between them is determined by the type of plant to be grown. In winter, the nutrient solution can be heated, making it possible to maintain a healthy, vigorous root system in much cooler environments. The water is normally heated by a hot water boiler using any type of fuel of choice. This can be either gas, diesel, oil, or electric. The electric conductivity and pH of the solution are controlled to maintain a certain nutritional level and acidity, where nutritional elements can be then optionally taken up by the plants. This section of the system exhibits several layers of polythene. The inside layers also have square perforations that are 40 centimeters away from one another. A polythene feed pipe is inserted between the lid and the first layer, where the pipe is then connected over the top to the drip irrigation branches. Nutrient solution is dispensed to the crop via the drip feed system that is placed one per block. The seeds are planted in small cubic jiffy blocks that measure 7.5 centimeters. These blocks are then inserted into holes in the lid and rest on the layer of polythene below. When the plants are established, the drippers should be moved around 5 centimeters away from the blocks in the direction of the flow. To prevent any corrosive attack, the installation is built using galvanized steel. The suspended rows of bolsters are given a slight incline of 1.5%, which then gives a steady and evenly distributed flow of the nutrient solution throughout the whole system. This ensures maximum oxygenation of the root system without any saturation, thus significantly reducing the chance of any root disease. The leftover solution at the end of each line of bolster then drops into a funnel and flows by gravity to a deposit tank that is situated in the control center. In the deposit tank, water and nutrients are again automatically brought back to the right levels. This compensates for the uptake of the circulated nutrient solution by the plants earlier on. After the adjustment, the solution is then reintroduced back into the system by pumping it through a filter on towards the plants. Until now, the only hydroponic cultures that were known in Spain were facilities of industrial type in experimental plantations. However, the company N.G.S, whose activity is based on the commercialization and industrial installation of this new system, has sent to the market the first hydroponic culture. We can say that the N.G.S system's new technology, with minimum environmental costs, can permit better crop control, optimize growth conditions, and increase productivity and quality. Thank you for watching the N.G.S system presentation.